If you're experiencing the Cloud Save Error 2025 in GTA 5, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get back to playing your game smoothly. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable and working properly. A weak or intermittent connection can cause issues with cloud saves. Restart your router if necessary. Step 2. Restart the game. Pause GTA 5 completely and restart it. Sometimes, simply restarting the game can resolve temporary glitches and allow the cloud save feature to function correctly. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're playing on PC, use the game launcher, Steam, Epic Games, etc. to verify the integrity of the game files. This process will check for any corrupted files and replace them, which may fix the error. Step 4. Clear cloud save data. Access your cloud save settings through the game launcher and clear any corrupted save data. This action may require you to re-upload your saves, so ensure you have a backup if needed. Step 5. Contact support. If the error persists after trying the above steps, reach out to Rockstar Support for further assistance. Provide them with details about the error and the steps you've already taken to resolve it. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the cloud save error and continue enjoying GTA 5. If problems persist, don't hesitate to seek help from the community or official support channels.